Taqullah, have taqwa of Allah. Right? Because taqwa of Allah is, by definition, staying away from what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has told us to stay away from. Right? Protecting ourselves by staying away from things. This is the definition of taqwa. Like the Prophet ﷺ described that al-halalu bayyin wal haramu bayyin. Halal is clear and haram is clear. But there are certain things that are not clear. Right? وَبَيْنَهُمَا أُمُورٌ مُتَشَابِهَاتٌ. Some things that are not very clear. Then he said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, فَمَنِ اتَّقَى الشُّبُهَاتِ. The one who protected himself from the things that are not clear, فَقَدْ اسْتَبْرَأَ لِدِينِهِ وَعِرْضِهِ. That person has saved himself. So the word that he used to say that the person is protecting themselves from something that's doubtful is ittaqa. Right? Ittaqa. So ittaqa literally is protecting oneself from something that harms. So here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in all these ayat previously, He's telling us to protect ourselves from negative influences. People who will corrupt our minds, or people who will shape the way we think because of their ideas and our standing, or their standing in our eyes. So we have to be very careful and we have to watch out for this. In kuntum mu'minin, if you are truly believers in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.